everyone, my name is Belle, and if you're new, welcome back to my channel. If you're also not new, welcome back to my channel. Oh, no wait, no. Hey guys, my name is Bella, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a video on how to use the Loreal Colorista range. I think this stuff is perfect for festival season. I know Groove in the Mood is coming up, Splendor's coming up, Beyond the Valley at the end of the year, and I know Coachella just passed, so, and who doesn't really like a festival kind of video? So today I thought I would show you guys how I use the Colorista spray and the Colorista hair makeup to create like a highlighted, really cool, also maybe subtle, more wearable festival look. I know my last one was like very full on, so maybe I'll try and dull it down a bit today, or maybe not. We'll see how we go, because I'll be using the spray for the first time today also, so this will be like a first impressions kind of thing. And I also thought I would do like a multi-dimensional blue look, because last time I did pink and I thought it would be cool to try something a little bit different and do the blue. So I'm going to be using the One Day Color Highlights Pastel Blue hair makeup in both violet and cobalt. So I'm going to like kind of put them all throughout my hair, because I've got a lot of blonde in the end of my hair now, which I think will come up really, really well with this. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to start by curling my hair, because I found that with my with using the hair makeup for Groove in the Mood, it was actually better when I curled my hair first, and then I slowly use little bits to disperse the product throughout my hair. So I'm going to curl it first. I'm going to be using my VS Sassoon hair curler. I absolutely love this thing. This is what I use to curl my hair all the time. So I know a lot of you guys ask me how I curl my hair, and this is literally how I do it. I just grab it in little pieces and curl it. It's a 25mm instant heat ceramic curler, and I think it's pretty affordable, which is so good considering how amazing it is. I've literally been using it for years. But first off, I'm going to start by just spraying my hair with some heat protectant. You guys can style your hair however you like. You can have it straight curly. I find that if I'm going to be doing like lots of different colors, I think it'll look better curly anyway, and for a festival you want to be a little bit extra. So I'm just moving back a bit, and I'm just going to start by curling my hair. How I curl my hair is I literally just take, oh, also don't mind my tan. I've got a skin condition that makes my tan uneven all the time, even when I tan naturally, so for all your comments about that. So what I do is I don't separate it, like tie it up or anything to curl it. I just take it in little bits on the same like level, and then I'll literally just like hang it there to curl it. I know my hairdresser like drags it out and like pulls it in and does all that. I literally just curl it like this, but I'm just gonna start curling it like this, and then I will check in with you guys in a second. So I literally just hold it like this for maybe, I don't know, like 20 seconds each piece, and I'll do it on the outside of the barrel this way, and then on the other side of the barrel on this side, so it's like out and out, if that makes sense. I don't know what the terminology is, but you know. And it literally just looks like that. It's just wavy. I don't really like it that curly, which is why I do it in chunks and don't really separate it. And I'll show you like a bit of, it's just like that. So it's just nice and natural and doesn't look too full on. I hate it when it looks like ringlets and like really tight curls. I like the natural wave, and I feel like that's more like a beachy kind of effortless vibe. So just wrap it around, and then I'll hold it there again, and I will keep going and then show you guys when it's finished. So just checking in with you guys, this is one side done, and I absolutely love this so much. This is why I do this all the time. It's so easy and it's so quick, and they just look so good. But I just like to take the little bits at the front and just touch them up a little bit more, just because they tend to drop like a lot quicker. And I'll just hold that there for a bit and then take it out. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looks like all curled. I absolutely love how it looks. So now I'm going to move on to colouring my hair. What I think I will do is use the hair makeup first, and then I'll go on to use the spray. We'll see how it works. I'll show you guys what I do. But first of all, I'm going to put on a jumper that I'm not worried about getting dirty, just in case I do get some product on it. I know that it does wash off. I've used it many times before, but just because I don't want to get on the white top. Alright, jumper is on. Alrighty, so this is the Cobalt hair makeup. Washes off straight away. It looks like this when you take it out, which is super dark. So we'll see how it goes. How I do the pink one is like rub it in my hands, and then I will like distribute it throughout my hair like this. Right, there we go. So it's slowly dispersing itself, and I'm actually loving the way that looks. It's a lot lighter when it comes out. And I'm just going to slowly bring it up. Alright, so this is what it looks like at the moment. My hands are very blue, but it does wash off. Promise you, I wouldn't be doing it like this if I knew that it didn't. So this is what my hair looks like. I like rubbed my hands and just like did it really, really like randomly, and you can see that it just gives like a really nice highlighted effect. And with the blonde in my hair, I actually reckon that looks so cool. I've never had blue hair, so this is awesome. I might just do a little bit more, and then for the sake of the video I will be using the spray also, just to give it like a little bit more of a dimensional look, even though it's pretty dimensional at the moment. Alright, so my hands are washed and it came off no problems at all. This is what the hair looks like at the moment, and I'm actually kind of loving it. But now I thought I would add a little bit more colour and use the pastel blue Colorista hairspray. So it says, put towel on shoulders, shake well and apply 15 centimeters away from your hair. For a mermaid look, spray different colors on separate strands. So everyone wants to be a bloody mermaid, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a blue towel on my shoulders, and thumbnail moment. Wow, okay. And I'm gonna start spraying. So it says 15 centimeters. How? I'm gonna grab these like blonde bits here. Whoa, it's actually pretty blue. I'm actually loving that. That's so cool. They're covered. Alrighty, so that's it with the spray in. The spray is darker than the hair makeup, so I'd recommend if you wanted a lighter colour to definitely go with the hair makeup. But I'm loving how highlighted and like blue and different this looks. I feel like an actual mermaid. Just because why not? I thought I would also try the turquoise colour and put that in also, and then also add a bit of the grey just to create like an extra highlighted look. So the turquoise is super blue, which I'm loving. It definitely shows up a lot more than any of the other colours. I'm just adding the grey in slowly, and you can see that it's actually giving my hair, oh, already got some on my jumper. It's giving my hair a really cool, like shimmery kind of look. So I think I'll just do that at the ends. but this is what it looks like, and I'm actually kind of obsessed. I've never pictured myself with blue hair before, and I think this is really cool. I have got a bit on my hands from the spray, so if you're worried about that, probably wear gloves, but I know that it will just wash off anyway. But this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty freaking obsessed. Alright, you guys, so I just put on a little bit of blue eyeshadow to kind of tie the whole look together, but I'm literally obsessed. I didn't think that I would love it this much. Like, I think I like the colour a lot better than the pink. It's actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would in terms of the highlighting kind of effect. You can see that there's like a little bit of every colour in there, and it's shiny. It doesn't feel like straw, like a lot of like hairsprays and things like that do. It has dropped a little bit of my curls, so I'm sure that you guys can touch up your curls and stuff afterwards if you need to, but I actually like that it's dropped and it looks a lot more like beachy, mermaidy. I think this look is perfect for festivals, or literally just if you guys want to try out a colour, even like before you dye your hair permanently and you just want to see what it looks like, or just for fun. I think this is so cool. I know my little sisters will actually love it so much, but I love this. Like, I think it is so cool, and it's a colour that I would never have thought to try. So 100% I would suggest, if you guys are like even a little bit interested, to give it a go, because I think it's so cool. And the best part is that it's only temporary and it washes out. Look how cool it looks. Who would have thought that I would have liked teal hair on me? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, 100% give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. It helps me out so much. Let me know what other videos you would like me to make. Comment down what you guys thought of the video. Head to my Instagram also. I'll be posting photos of this look as well, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll